So we have a pressure washer here. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox it. This company sent it to me for me to do an honest review. This is what it looks like right here. It's got a bunch of stuff inside that we have to assemble. There's the owner's manual. I think this is where you put the soap. It's got this long hose right here. And that's it. So right off the bat, it looks really light and it's not big at all, but it does have good reviews. So we're gonna go put it to the test. I have this Ford Escape that I need to pressure wash the engine bay. So let's see if this one will do the trick. This is the back of it. You got all your attachments right here. I'm gonna go ahead and put it together, and then I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like and see how powerful this thing is. This pressure washer is electric, so you got your power outlet right here. That's your plug, and you got the on/off button right here. So to put it together, you have this very easy to read manual right here. It'll tell you how to assemble it. It's all these pieces that come in a bag. It'll show you how to put it together, and I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. All right, so this piece right here mounts onto the handle right here. So you got two screws that goes in there, and I think one of the attachments one of the plastic bracket will hold on to right here. That way the hose will be attached to the handle right here. All right, so I got that bracket right here, and this side put on. So you can see it's attached via the handle. Now we're gonna slide this piece right here. This is the handle to reel it in. This one just clips onto there like that. The handle is right there. Now we're gonna install this piece right here. This one it's got two screws right here. All right, then this piece right here slides on to this side right here. Like that. All right, for the nozzle, this is the hose right here. So this one just pops in there like that. Super simple and easy. It locks in place by itself. You can push this on to release it. If you want to release it, just push that and pull it up. But yep, super lightweight. Also, I forgot to show you how to install this piece right here. Basically, you pull it up, and then you insert this, and then you twist it to lock it in place. And I think this one is for soap, so you can install this one right there as well. And then the water will come out mixed with soap, so that's pretty cool. All right, now I think we are ready to test it out. We just gotta hook up the hoses on this side and that side, and yeah, let's put this thing to the test. These are the different attachments for different kinds of pressure, so we're gonna use that later. So we're gonna use this soap dispenser first. This one just twist and pull out. You can add the soap right here. All right, so I got the hose hooked up right here. Water hose. This one attaches right here in the front, and I did add some soap right here. I'll turn this on. It's actually pretty loud for a little thing. Here we go. Okay. It's actually pretty powerful. All right, so now we got to test out the soap. We're gonna test out the actual nozzle, the pressure washer. All right, now we're gonna test out the attachment right here. Here we go. We're gonna test it out on this dirty ground right here. I'm gonna use this tip right here. This one is supposed to spin. Alright, so the other attachments basically the same, but this one, the red one, is the pointier one. This is actually pretty powerful for its size. So my honest review on this is I would recommend it for the price. I've seen a lot of smaller electric pressure washer and they're not nearly as powerful as this one. So yeah, I would recommend getting this one. If you guys are interested in one of these, click the link down below and check out their website as well. And again guys, thank you for watching.
5 stars.